driving now to the tennis court. So I'll just be having a quick game together with some friends tonight. Then let's see kung saan tayo mag-dinner after together with them. It was just a chill day today. So nag-edit lang ako ng konting mga vlogs. Then I'm currently uploading it. Actually hindi ko na nga natapos i-upload yung iba. Nandun lang siya. Parang nag-uploading lang siya, pero bahala na mamaya na ma-upload siya sa bahay when I get home. Anyway, chill day today, kaya yun, palo-palo na lang muna tayo ng tennis. So, just got here in the club. Kunin ko lang yung gamit ko, tapos pasok na tayo sa loob to meet some friends and play tennis. Hey, welcome to another daily vlog. So today I'm going out to the coffee shop with my little date kasi mukhang kailangan niya ng daddy dollar date. Kaya isasama ko si Dollar sa coffee shop while I'm doing some stuff. Para dun lang siya, play siya sa gilid ko. And para may iba naman yung environment yan. Kaya say hi, Dollar. Dollar, say hi. There's Dollar. Anyway, I just have the whole afternoon today. Tapos mamaya, after doing all the stuff I need to do, heading back home to prepare for my flight. I'm heading off to Seattle tonight. Kaya yun, mag-ikot tayo sa Seattle. Samahan niyo mag-ikot doon. Let's see kung may mabibili na naman ako doon. But anyway, tingnan natin.